Today, we're diving into the latest market update for June of 2023 for my community in Lake Nona in the beautiful Orlando, Florida, zip codes 32827 and 32832. If you are considering buying or selling a home in this region, you have come to the right place. Let's jump right into it. The real estate market in Orlando is holding strong, but it's important to note that the demand for homes can vary from one area to another. Desirable homes, especially those located in good school districts with upgrades, a pool, and price right, are receiving multiple offers. On the other hand, homes in other areas may linger on the market for months. Now, let's take a closer look at the statistics of people moving to Orlando. Orlando continues to be a popular destination for people seeking a vibrant and diverse community with job opportunities and a great quality of life. According to recent data, the number of people moving to Orlando has been steadily increasing over the past few years. People are drawn to our pleasant climate, entertainment options, and growing economy. Looking at the current state of the Lake Nona real estate market, we have some interesting numbers to share with you. If you're a seller, pay close attention to these statistics. In June of 2023, we had 119 new listings come on the market. This represents a significant decrease of almost 40% compared to the same period last year, when we had 200 new listings available. Now let's talk about the medium list price in Lake Nona. Currently, the medium list price stands at $600,000. This indicates that the market caters to a range of budgets, with homes available at various price points. Whether you are looking for a cozy single-family home or a luxurious estate, Lake Nona has something to offer. Moving on to closed transactions, in June of 2023, we saw 80 closed transactions in Lake Nona. The median close price for these transactions was at $555,000. These figures provide insights into the average sale price in the area, giving both buyers and sellers a better understanding of the market dynamics. If we break it down neighborhood by neighborhood, here are the numbers. Village Walk shows 2 homes sold at a median price of $630,000 and 1 villa sold for $450,000. North Lake Park shows 3 homes sold at a median price of $565,000. Lorette Park shows 17 homes sold, including townhomes and villas, at a median price of $700,000. All the other neighborhoods in the zip code 32832 show 62 homes sold, including townhomes, at a median price of $522,500. Another important factor to consider is the number of days a home remains on the market. Currently, the average days on the market in Lake Nona is 35 days. This relatively short period indicates a healthy level of activity in the market, with homes being sold at a reasonable pace. As you can see, it is clear that Lake Nona, like much of Orlando, remains in a seller's market. However, it's essential to keep an eye on the evolving trends in interest rates. Rates are predicted to continue to increase over the next few months and potentially even into the next year. It's important for buyers to be aware of this forecast and adjust their expectations accordingly. Additionally, I predict that as interest rates continue to climb and renters face rent increases, more individuals and families will turn to home ownership. The stability and potential long-term benefits of owning a home can outweigh the uncertainties of rising interest rates. If you have been considering home ownership, now may be the time to take action. And that concludes our overview of the current real estate market in Lake Nona, Orlando, Florida. Remember, the market is holding strong, but the demand for homes vary across different areas. Desirable homes in sought-after school districts with upgrades and a pool tend to attract multiple offers, while properties in other locations may take longer to sell. With interest rates projected to rise, potential buyers should act sooner rather than later to secure favorable mortgage terms. And for sellers, the market continues to favor them, but it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to changing conditions. If you're looking to buy or sell a home in Orlando, my team and I would like to be your resource of choice. Send us an email at flrelocation1@gmail.com or give us a call at 407-227-8100. Until the next time.